Alright guys, this is a game changer. I'm going to demonstrate how you can use Claude to directly speak to AutoCAD. Alright, first you need to have an instance of AutoCAD open. This is out of the box AutoCAD template, no layers, nothing set here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Claude and I'm going to say, hey Claude, I want to write a Lisp routine. I draw a lot of circles and I would rather just have Claude create a Lisp routine for me that will do it on command in the certain size, diameter, layer that I want it on, and color. So I'm going to go ahead and load this prompt I already filled out. Let's just say, Claude, I want you to create a simple Lisp routine that creates a 5 diameter circle and allows for user input. I want this to be placed on a layer XYZ. If this layer does not exist, create this layer and make the bilayer color red. I want to download this file. Gonna hit send. Claude's gonna do its work. Why are we doing this and why is this a game changer? Well, generally if you've worked with Claude and created your own Lisp routines, you have to download the file. The downloaded file goes into your downloads folder or wherever you select. And then from there you can drag and drop it into a Lisp routine folder, which then you can drag and drop into your AutoCAD. This is a game changer because with a click of a download button, it will automatically load into AutoCAD. And so it is basically working with AutoCAD in real time. I'm going to hit download, and you're going to see on my machine, once I hit save, going in my downloads folder, it will load into AutoCAD. Here it is. You're going to hit load once, and then the command is draw a circle. Draw a circle. I'm going to pick a point. There is my 5 diameter circle. Right here, diameter 5, color is red, set to XYZ layer. All right, what's really cool about this is then you can go back to Claude and say, hey Claude, I want the circle to be cyan. And let's change the command to just be CB, circle blue. All right, let's see what happens. Again, it's thinking, it's just making the quick changes, pretty easy to change. And within a matter of seconds, it should be ready for me to download a new file. This is great for when you're troubleshooting with Claude. Claude's not always great on the first time. I don't like to draw out or write out long commands like draw a circle. I'd rather just be short. So CB is short. I'm gonna download. As you can see, hit save. I got too excited there. And pretty soon AutoCAD will update, and there is the new command, CB. There is my circle. It is on the XYZ layer. It is this cyan color. Again, oh, I actually wanted the layer to change to cyan. I don't want the circle to be cyan. I want it to be by layer. You can go ahead and make those changes with Claude. Again, Claude's not going to be perfect. It's not going to know exactly what you're thinking, and even if it does, it might not always work. So anyway, this is just a quick tutorial to show you that Claude can speak almost directly to AutoCAD.